Allahu, 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 Allah. Allahu, Allahu, La ilaha illallah.
Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to our channel. Let's get into the video today and learn 10 new information.
In the Battle of Uhud, Muslim army was re-attacked from mountain under the command of, your options are option A Abu Lahab or option B Khalid bin Walid radiyallahu anhu. The right answer is option B Khalid bin Walid radiyallahu anhu. Which is the first masjid to be built after Islam was introduced? Your options are option A Masjid al-Nabawi or option B Masjid Quba. The right answer is option B Masjid Quba. To whom did Prophet ﷺ prayed Allah to give him the knowledge of Quran? Your options are option A Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu or option B Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu. The right answer is option B Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu. To which tribe did the food god spoil? Your options are option A Banu Israel or option B Banu Ka'b. The right answer is option A Banu Israel. Who took care of Prophet ﷺ's footwear and miswak? Your options are option A Abdullah bin Mas'ud radiyallahu anhu or option B Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu. The right answer is option A Abdullah bin Mas'ud radiyallahu anhu. How many ayats are there in Surah Al-Anbiya? Your options are option A 112 or option B 128. The right answer is option A 112. How many ayats are there in Surah Al-Hajj? Your options are option A 75 or option B 78. The right answer is option B 78. How many ayats are there in Surah Al-Mu'minun? Your options are option A 115 or option B 118. The right answer is option B 118. How many ayats are there in Surah An-Nur? Your options are option A 96 or option B 64. The right answer is option B, 64. How many ayats are there in Surah Al-Furqan? Your options are option A, 77 or option B, 35. The right answer is option A, 77.
Every new information you learn about Islam and share with others, inshallah, you will be rewarded sadaqah jariyah for it. So to learn more information about Islam consistently, subscribe to our channel and check our new videos. If you are new to this video, please check our old episodes and subscribe to our channel. Alhamdulillah.